fuel filter is located behind the rear seat on the left side of the car, red arrow. You only need to remove enough of the underbody trays to give you access to work on the pump. You will begin by removing the T25 Torx screw holding the filter in place, as indicated by the red arrow. Move the filter out of its holding bracket to give you more room to work. You will need to pinch off all 4 gas lines coming into and out of the filter, yellow arrows. Make sure to mark the lines and take pictures so you don't mix them up during reassembly. You can use a hose clamp tool, or I use a shop rag to protect the lines and then pinch them between vice grips, yellow arrow. Remove the hose clamps and then remove the lines from the filter, green arrow. The filters need the fuel to flow through them in one direction. While the filter really only will fit all the lines one way, make sure you match up the markings on the new filter to the one you are removing. Install the new filter using new clamps, red arrow. With everything in place, turn on the ignition and check for leaks. Turn off the ignition, reinstall the underbody trays, and you are good to go. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.